Welcome to the Florida Conference Office of Education. We are so glad that you have chosen to enroll your child in a FLOCO school. We are committed to helping your child grow physically, mentally, emotionally, and spiritually. At FLOCO, one way that we invite parents to be a part of the educational process is by becoming an active user of Canvas, our school's learning management system. Canvas will give you the opportunity to view your child's progress in all of their classes and be notified with class announcements and grade alerts. Canvas is a web-based application, and while Canvas is available on many platforms, in this video we will focus on the mobile application. To begin, visit the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store and search for the Canvas Parent app. You'll be able to recognize it by the blue circle icon. Download and install the app. Parent accounts are automatically created for every FLOCO student using the email address you provided to your child's school when you registered your child. To log in, open your mobile web browser, visit www.floco.org/canvas, and click on the Parent Login button. If this is your first time logging in, you'll need to choose the Forgot Password option and enter your email address. Canvas will then send you a link to reset your password. Once your password is reset, return to the login page and enter your email address and password. The Canvas Parent app should open automatically. Inside the app, you will see each class in which your child is enrolled and their current grade. If you have more than one child at school, you can switch between children using the drop-down menu at the top of the screen. Clicking on a class will open a list of assignments. For each assignment, you can view the due date, status, and grade. Clicking on the assignment will bring more options, including directions for completing the assignment if applicable. You can also view what your child submitted and review any instructor comments about the work that was submitted. Canvas offers a variety of ways to view your child's information. At the bottom of the home page, you will find a calendar view which will bring all of your child's assignments and other events into one unified view. You can choose which class calendars to view by selecting them from the menu in the top right area of the screen. From the Canvas Parent home screen, you can also create notifications that will alert you to certain class events. By clicking on the menu in the top left corner, selecting Manage Students, and choosing your child's name, you'll have the ability to create notifications for certain events, such as when course grades drop below a certain percentage you select, or when an assignment is recorded as missing. You can also choose to receive course announcements by selecting that option from this page. This process can be repeated for each child you have enrolled at school. If you experience difficulties accessing Canvas, please contact your child's school for assistance. From everyone at the Florida Conference Office of Education, thank you for entrusting us with your child. We are so glad to partner with you in the education of your child as we prepare them for both life on earth and life in heaven.